welcome to Pedal Savings. My name is Rosie. I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope method for all her finances. And today we will be cash planning for the fourth week of January. Let me get my cash planning sheet. Okay. So today is the 28th. Let me get a pen. So today we will be cash planning $205. Let's get our calculator here. So, first off, we had to minus $50 for Elizabeth, my future daughter that's coming in April. So, $155. And then gas, it's going to be $20 this week. And then buffer, $10 as always. We also had to make sure we do our savings challenges. So 2026 savings, I'm going to do $5. Then January number 1, I'm going to do $2. And then $2 for January 2. Let's see. Then $1 for $1 savings. Okay. Let's do $70 for groceries this week. And then that leaves us $45. Let's do $10 in no, 20. It has 50 right now. So let's do actually it doesn't have 50. It has 40 because I had to use $10 out of it. I forgot what it was, but I'm gonna add 20. One sec. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so we have 25 left. Let's put $10 in the cat's envelope. $5 in emergency. And just do $10 in eating out. Okay, so then everything else gets 0. Okay, let's do tallies. So $10, 60, 70, 20, 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, emergency 5, maternity leave 20, Ren and Goku 10, okay, 5, 1, 2, okay, now let's count the tallies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 140 plus 40 plus 15 plus 10 equals 205. Okay. I think that's going to be it for today. I will see you guys on Friday for cash stuffing. Bye.